So welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's coming up to Valentine's Day, and I'm gonna make you something special for Valentine for all the lovers them in the house. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team, and today we want to show you what you can do for Valentine. First of all, I want to simply say to you, I'm using some fresh cream. You don't need to use fresh cream. You can use double cream, whatever cream you like, but this is very easy and simple and quick, and that's what I want to use this one. So first of all, what we're gonna do is simple. Pop some cream down inside of the glass like that. Lovely. Just to make the cream settle down inside of it, do a thing like that. Second thing, I got some strawberry which I blend up a little bit earlier, and I'm gonna pop it down inside of it like this. So it will do help it to make it go down a little bit quicker. Second thing, I got some ice cream which I just blend. And I'm gonna also pipe some more cream on top of it like this. So as you can see, the look of it really lovely and nice. A little bit of more strawberry on top of it like this. Lovely and nice. Also a little bit more of it on top. Guys, Valentine lovers always have to have some treat or something every year. Normally every year Chef Ricardo always do something special for someone. We don't know who the person is, but that's how we always do it at year time. So guys, enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and please leave your comments. We love you guys, and we always give you something which you do love. I want to say happy Valentine to everyone when it comes. Valentine is just around the corner, and this is a nice lovely treat right here for you guys. Really nice and wonderful. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments.